Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be checking out this Oraimo NimbleType keyboard and mouse combo, wireless keyboard and mouse combo. The reason why I got this is I want to try out the non-mechanical keyboard to see whether I can be able to use one. So my usual setup is this Havit keyboard. I've done a video on this. You can check it out on the channel. This one is a budget mechanical keyboard from Havit. I leave links in the description in case you are interested in this, but it's a wired one. You have to connect a Type-C cable here to your PC, and it is backlit. So this one that I've gotten from Oraimo, it's not backlit, but it's wireless, and you can rechargeable. But the mouse, for the mouse, you have to use a AA battery. So let's unbox it together and see what it looks like. And as you unbox, I got this for 2,700 shillings. There's no delivery fee, and if you want it, you can get it cheaper if you use my link in the description or the discount code which I've left up here on this video, which also goes a long way in supporting the channel. So let's get into it. This is the keyboard. I'll just set it aside so that you can see what else we have in the box. This is the mouse. And for my current setup, by the way, for the mouse, I'm using this. I've been using this Oraimo keyboard for the past at least 3 years, 3 or more. Yeah, I've had this for quite a while. I've been using it most of the day. I had another one which I gave out to somebody else, but this has been my main mouse and it's still working by the way. So I'll probably continue using it, or there's another one which I'm waiting for. You should also check out the video on the channel. It's called the ClickFlow 2. It's on the way, another mouse. So I'll do a video on that also. So we have the mouse here, and here is the charging cable to charge your keyboard. So let's set the packaging aside, then we look at the main products. So I'll start with the mouse. So this is how it looks. Just bring it closer. So one interesting thing I've noticed about this mouse, unlike the previous one which I had, is that it's a silent mouse. So for the clicks, let me just disconnect it so that I don't disrupt my recording. Yeah, so that's why. Let me just bring my microphone closer to give you an idea of how silent it is. So compared to the other one, the older one, yeah, for this one you can hear it across the room, or even in the next room you can hear that. But for this, you have to be very close. So the person who's using is the only one who can hear it. Yeah, so it's quite an interesting thing if you don't like the clicky sounds. Yeah, it's the same feel you get with the high-end Logitech mice. Yeah, so this is quite nice. It's quite nice. Yeah, but I don't think I'll be using this. I'll still continue using this because it's quite a little bit bigger. This is quite tiny, but it will be a good spare to have. What else? So that's just about it with the mouse. It uses one AA battery. There's a power button here. You have to turn it on when you set it up for the first time, and you have to get a AA battery. So one thing about mice, for most this price point, don't expect to get a rechargeable mouse. And if you get one, a rechargeable mouse which this price point, most likely it's something which you'll use for like a few months or to a year if you're a heavy user, and it will run out. But I really appreciate this. I know it will last quite a while. Like this one has served me for many years now. So, and I'll continue using it until I get the replacement that I'm waiting for. So I'll just set that aside and get into the keyboard, which is the main reason why I bought this setup. Yeah, so you can see the slim profile at the back. This is how it looks like. It's plastic, but I think it's a very high quality plastic. Here there are silicone stands to keep it from sliding when you're working. Yeah, and they hold down quite well, and it's not a full-size keyboard, so there's no number pad. And here are indicators to show you when you're charging, when you're pairing with the receiver, and this is to show you whether the caps lock is turned on. So I'll just have a feel of it. Yeah, it feels quite nice. It feels like a very nice laptop. So I think I can get along. I can get used to using this. I'm used to mechanical keyboards. I usually avoid using the laptop keyboards, but I have a feeling I can get used to this. It isn't too bad. It's much better than most laptops that I've used. So I think I'll be using this. So my setup is usually, it's not just a laptop. It's usually a monitor connected, hooked up to my laptop. And then one other good thing about this is I won't have to worry about having a wire. Oraimo claims that this will last you 30 days on a single charge. I'm yet to see that. I just got this today. But from my first impressions, I think it's quite a nice keyboard. It isn't too bad. It feels quite nice. I think I'll get used to this. The only shortcoming with it, yeah, is that it isn't backlit, but I don't mind that. I'm used to typing, so I can type even in the dark without any issues. But if you're looking for something backlit, this might not be for you. But for the price, 2,700 shillings, um, I think that might be asking for a bit too much for the price. So from my first impressions, I think I can recommend this to anyone. I usually write a lot. I usually write a few thousand words per day. So I'll see how this holds up in my usage. So if you want to buy it, I'll leave a link in the description, and the link will give you a 5% discount if you're in Nigeria or Kenya. And if you are on another platform that doesn't allow links, you can use the discount code up here to lock just the same way. Just visit oraimo.com, do that, buy it, and let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. There are more videos coming. There's a mouse which will be coming, so make sure you're tuned on for that. So thank you. See you in the next video.